CQ Researcher is a specific database in Belk Library that may help you with your research and work in RC 1000, as well as with projects in other classes. On our library's homepage, look for Browse All Databases on the right-hand side of the screen. Click that and then look for databases by name and choose C for CQ Researcher. Once here, look for that database itself, and you'll see that we have several different products from CQ. You are looking for CQ Researcher. This database provides in-depth reports on trending issues that are written by experienced journalists. All reports are professionally fact-checked and include footnotes as their form of reference. Once on the CQ homepage, you can check out that week's featured report, or you can peruse the many hot topics highlights that are available for you on the right-hand side. Let's say that you are researching immigration policy, so we would click here. Now you can look at the most recent report on immigration, or you can check out previous and related reports. Let's say you're looking for information on immigrants and the economy. You might click here. Personally, I like to view the feature as a PDF. It just has more of a magazine look that is much more aesthetically pleasing to me. You'll notice that each report is quite rich, offering you a number of features that include a background, a timeline of key events, a pro-con feature, and an extensive bibliography of sources for other research. These reports also include images, especially graphs and charts, that you could use in your paper or documentary film or both. You would, of course, need to cite any images, so take advantage of the Cite Now feature, which is at the top of each report. For this class, you would want to make sure that you are grabbing the APA citation. You can also search keywords within the CQ Researcher database. Let's say you're interested in community gardens and urban agriculture. You might try out each of those phrases individually just to see what comes up. The first result should offer the strongest correlation to your search terms. However, you also want to be aware of the dates. This one is quite recent, but keep in mind that CQ journalists have been generating reports for decades, so you want to make sure you're getting recent and relevant information. CQ Researcher will reward some topics more than others, but you might as well give this resource a try. You might be pleasantly surprised by some of your results. So for instance, if you are interested in the nursing shortage in the United States, there might be several articles that could help you as you work to address this issue. Thank you for your time and happy searching.